Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off margins on Robinhood application. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and actually download Robinhood application, right? So of course, you can do that through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you would like to go and actually sign in to create your account. Of course, if you already have an account, just ignore all of that, log in into your account, and let's just get straight into the tutorial. So here, as you can see, they are actually asking me to enter a pin code. So if it's your first time opening the application, they will not ask you to do anything. But in the second time, they will actually ask you to set a pin code. Then after any time you will enter the application, they will ask you to enter that pin code. So for me, I choose 4 zeros, and then the application will open, and that will actually be your home or main screen. So here, first of all, before start using the application, you would like to verify your account. You will find out how in one of our videos in this channel. Then you would like to add funds to your account to start using the application. If you didn't do that, you will not be able to start using the application, and you will not have the full options like me because I didn't add funds to this account. So as we said, of course, if you already do that, you would like to go back to the application. Then as we said, we would like to turn off the margins. So how about turning off? You cannot actually turn it off, but you can reduce it. So how do I reduce my margin balance? So to reduce your margin balance, you can deposit funds or liquidate any of your position. Then you can actually see your current margin used in your account preview. So of course you can just go here to your account, and as I said, I don't have the full options here. You'll find in this investing, as you can see, I have just lines here. If you have like actually did what I said, you will find here actually in this investing everything. And or on the buying power breakdown screen, of course, you'll have here an investing tab as well. You can click on that and then click add buying power. Then you will be actually good to go. So that will be actually for the tutorial. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.